In this next module, we're going to be traveling into the past. We'll be looking at two different stories. One, Isaac Asimov's What If, that will show you two characters who get a glimpse of their own past. And then in Octavia Butler's Kindred, we'll be traveling back to the antebellum South during slavery time, where the main character travels back and meets her ancestors. These are important, two important texts as we start to venture into time travel into the past, considering what our past has to say about who we are and how we can see the world differently. The assignment that is going to be new in this module will be the Literature Circle. This will be the beginning of several modules where you will be meeting in small groups and discussing the text from the previous week. So if you have any questions about that particular assignment, make sure you take a look at the discussion board for the Literature Circle number 3 and ask me any questions that you might have early. This Literature Circle does begin right away on the first day of the module, so make sure that you do not wait to get started. Enjoy the readings, and I'm looking forward to some great discussion this week.